Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to unbox the Novo wood-burning stove by Supreme. These stoves come in 3 different sizes. That includes the 18, the 24, and the 38 inch. Today, we'll be working with the 24-inch model. First step is to check for any obvious signs of damage. If there is any, please report it to us right away. Our next step is to remove this cover from the pallet. That can be accomplished by unscrewing the 10 screws around this cover and setting it aside. With the cover removed, you'll notice the back of the stove, there is a bracket that is attached to the pallet. That bracket is designed to make sure the stove doesn't slide off the pallet. You need to remove that first. With the bracket removed, the next step is to slide the stove toward where the bracket was on the pallet. With a second person, lift the stove up off of the guide rails that are attached to the pallet and set the stove aside. Our next step is to take a look at the components. The components will be found inside the stove. You will find a manila folder that has the installation manual, the handle for the door, it has the key for the baffle system, and it has the rheostat for the blower speed. The next component is a power cable for your integrated blower. The next component is the ash lip. Next, you'll find 4 feet. Lastly, you'll also find some starter logs. And that is everything you need to know about unboxing your Novo wood stove by Supreme. If you would like to learn how to install this product, please click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.